The innocent always believes in the justice system and assumes that innocence is enough to be safe. However, what happens when such innocent people get convicted for a crime they didn't commit? This is Nancy Smith, wrongfully convicted of the rape of a 4-year-old. She was a bus driver for the Lorain County Head Start program. On May 7, 1993, a mother brought her 4-year-old daughter to the hospital, claiming the girl told her she hadn't gone to school that day. She asserted that Nancy had brought her to the home of a man named Joseph, who tied her up, taped her eyes, and sexually assaulted her with a stick.
That made the original allegations did sue Head Start and received millions of dollars.
And that's what's sad, is that it all was created over money in the first place.
Detective Tom Cantu, a reputable 20-year-old police veteran, was given the case. The girl repeatedly denied abuse during interviews for the following few days. However, the mother coaxed her daughter and made detailed accusations against Nancy. A review of Smith's bus log and the readings on her odometer revealed that she had followed her customary route. According to attendance records, the girl attended class. The alleged abuse was planned to take place in the late afternoon, but Nancy was driving the bus that afternoon. However, the accusing mother went on the offensive and started contacting other Head Start parents, telling them what Nancy and Joseph had done to her daughter and advising them to investigate their kids. As the panic grew, more accusations were made. Smith and Allen were tried and convicted in July of 1994. Nancy received a sentence of 30 to 94 years in prison. Joseph was sentenced to 5 consecutive life sentences. On February 27, 2022, Judge Cook granted the motion for a new trial. At the request of DA Tomlinson, Cook dismissed all charges.
And to Ms. Smith and to Mr. Allen, I want to say that I apologize to you. On behalf of the state of Ohio, I wish nothing but the best for you and your loved ones.
This is Kevin Strickland, who at 23 was convicted of first and second-degree murder in a brutal triple homicide. Strickland's involvement was denied by the sole alleged witness. There is no concrete evidence linking him to the crime scene. Strickland was sentenced to life in prison. In 2021, former prosecutors in his case declared that he was innocent and called for his release. 2 black men who pleaded guilty to the killings claimed that Strickland was not involved, and a different person's fingerprint was discovered on the shotgun used in the crimes. Cynthia Douglas, the only witness to the crime, claimed she was coerced into identifying Strickland as the perpetrator by detectives.
Did she tell you the name of the person she got wrong?
Yes.
She made several attempts to retract her testimony. Political and legal leaders urged Strickland's exoneration. The Missouri Supreme Court turned down a petition to free him in June 2021. Mike Parson, the governor of Missouri, declined to pardon him, stating that he did not consider his case to be a priority and that he was unsure of his innocence.
Kevin Strickland has spent 43 years in prison for a Kansas City triple murder he swears he didn't do.
The office of the Missouri Attorney General fought in court to keep him in prison, saying it believed him to be guilty.
Nothing to do with. Wasn't going to do it.
Judge James Welch overturned Strickland's conviction because it was not based on tangible evidence but on eyewitness testimony, who later recanted her claim on November 23, 2021, and Strickland was released the next day. After serving more than 41 years in prison, he was found not guilty. This made his case the longest confirmed wrongful conviction case in Missouri history.
I hate for people to hear a 62-year-old man say this, but I'm a mama's boy, and I got to go see mama.
And with this, we've come to the end of the video. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next one.